Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you a complete process to manufacture a Kaplan turbine on 3D printer. So keep watching this video till end. If you want to buy this design, please contact me. My contact details are mentioned in the description of this video.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
Let's start. First of all, I would like to show you a short video clip containing its practical working. So let's start. Basically, this is a Kaplan turbine and it is the final year project of engineering students. As you know, the Kaplan turbines runs at very low RPM. So we could not find any low RPM generator in the market. So to overcome this problem, we are using multiple number of DC motors. Basically, these are the DC motors of 9 volt. As you can see, the runner is rotating these motors via this pulley, and each motor is producing 3 volts, and we had connected all these 4 motors in series in electrically. So 3 is multiplied by 4, and at the end we are getting 12 volt DC output. So let's start. This is the base. This is the discharge tube, and here is the runner, and it has 6 blades on it. This is the hub. Blades are connected via a bolt on the hub. This is the wicket gate assembly, and wicket gates are fixed. This is the main pulley, and here is the motor holder, and this is the elbow. Inside the elbow, this is bearing, and here is the seal to prevent bearing from water. Here is the folder containing all these parts, and this folder contains the STLs of all these parts. During the manufacturing, you must have to select the brass material for this shaft. And if you are interested to buy this design, or if you want me to manufacture the complete turbine on 3D printer, please contact me. My contact details are mentioned in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.